Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. On December 4th, the city will temporarily close Davis Library. By closing the library, it allows crews to work faster and safer while keeping patrons and staff out of harm's way. Construction on the $5.3 million renovation project began in April. Crews have now reached the heaviest and noisiest phase of construction. In order to keep patrons and staff safe, temporarily closing the library is the best option. As a result, Davis Library is expected to reopen in early spring, 2 months early. By speeding things up, the project should also save money. Staff won't be on site at Davis, so please visit our 4 other library locations, Haggard, Harrington, Parr, and Schimmelpfennig. Library materials can be returned and donations dropped off at those locations. Funded by a 2017 voter-approved bond referendum, the library is growing bigger and better with expanded space and services. New features include a children's program room, new study rooms, and additional meeting rooms. The children's area is doubling in size. These renovations also offer an opportunity to improve the landscaping. Please be patient as we work to create a bigger and better library for everyone. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.